Hi there. Ready to explore Foxel AI? Let me walk you through some tips to get started and make the most out of your beta access. And once you receive confirmation that beta access has been granted, head over to our main page at foxel.ai, click Login, and enter the email you used for your request. You will then get a 2FA link sent to your email. Just click on the link in your email and voila, you'll be logged into Foxel AI. Once you've logged in, click Dashboard to explore what you can do. You can expand this and see the features. Now in the Accounts tab, you can start importing your client's data in just a few simple steps. And once your data is in the system, searching for the records is a breeze. Head over to the Clients tab, where you can find any record and select multiple entries at the same time. For example, let's say I have a Tony Stock as my client. All right. And then I will select all. And maybe other than Tony Stark, he also helps to manage policy for Emma Watson, hypothetical clients, of course. And you can click on select all or one by one selectively. So once you're satisfied, tag to save this icon to save all the records, Ronaldo's and Emma Watson's together as for let's say CR7 and Emma. Let's call it version 2 because I already saved a version 1 before. And next, under the Reports tab, over here you'll see all the summaries that you have saved. And from there, you can export them as an Excel for review, planning, or even sharing with clients. If you're into data analysis, you can save as a different file called CSV, of course. All right. Now let's talk about a unique feature, Customer Service Writer, CS Writer Beta. Whether or not you have uploaded client data, CS Data acts as your assistant for creating personalized client communications. And rest assured, your client's data is confidential and secure. We don't use your data to train our AI model. Foxel AI is designed specifically for financial consultants like you. Let's see some examples of how CS Writer can help. Scenario 1, for example, I can ask CS Writer this, right? Please draft a premium reminder for Cristiano Ronaldo for his Sing Life Shield, just as you talk to your personal assistant, right? You can talk to our CS writer the same way. And health plus policies. Okay, include this website for payment instructions and for e-gyro. Okay. Okay, I just copy and paste this URL into here. All right. So my assistant knows it now. Okay. And I want to make the communication even more comprehensive. I can say encourage him to set up gyro. All right. And you see I have a typo error IRO, but let's see how well the assistant can detect it. All right, you can see it's generated something that you could copy and paste as an email or as a WhatsApp to send to your client. Dear Cristiano Ronaldo, this is a friendly reminder of the premiums, and all the data is really populated because you have uploaded, I have uploaded them. And to ensure a continuous coverage, please make your payments by the due dates. You can use this website to visit this link and you can set up eGiro. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Great. So now another example is for, let's say we're going to repurpose some insurer communication. Now, even without uploaded data, CS Writer can still shine. Let's say you receive this email from an insurer. We have submitted the death certificate for updating records and terminating the client's health policy. We've processed a prorated refund. Let me see if I can find the demo that I saved. You can use search function to find the keywords of any of your previous chats that you have asked the AI assistant. Okay, for example, this one, right? I want to repurpose this message from the insurer and let the client know. So simply tell Foxel AI, all right, I've copy and pasted the email, repurpose this info, don't use we, use income, draft a message for my client, Elon Musk, make it less formal and show professional concern for him and his family and be genuine. So you can actually go as specific as possible as you want, right? To let your assistant know the tone, how genuine you want it to be, how formal or how casual it should draft the communications for you. And there you go. All right. Is voice now in tone from you in the way you want it to be sent to your client. You can copy and paste, and so just let the assistant know, and CS Writer will handle the rest, giving you a polished, empathetic message ready to be sent to your clients. So try out different prompts with CS Writer. It's like having a smart personal assistant available 24/7 on your PC, Mac, or mobile devices such as your iPad or your mobile phone. And to get inspired, you can even ask it. All right, let's create a new chat. Right. What can you do for me? So if give you some inspiration, you can ask for more tips on how to use CS Writer. So yeah, there you have it. We can't wait for you to experience how Foxel AI simplifies your day-to-day workflow. Dive in and let us know what you think.